What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here with Crypto News, bringing you the best crypto content on a daily basis. Today, we're going to be looking at the top launch pads being built on the Fantom blockchain in 2022. Now, Fantom is growing at an impressive rate, and it's also looking to be one of the hottest blockchains leading the 2022 rally. With that being said, by the end of this video, you will have a much stronger understanding of what projects to look for in the Launchpad ecosystem of the Fantom network. Now, remember folks, I'm not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research anytime you're investing in cryptocurrency. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos and you never want to miss a new exciting crypto content video like this, then hit that subscribe button. That way, as I release a new video, you'll get notified. Getting in early on crypto projects has often resulted in big wins for investors. While many people know this, it is often difficult to identify safe and promising projects when they are still at the early stage, and missing out on some of these projects could mean missing out on huge potential returns. Certain crypto platforms help investors discover early stage crypto projects before they enter into the mainstream. These crypto platforms are known as crypto launchpads. For clarity, crypto launchpads, are also known as crypto incubators, are platforms that allow blockchain-based projects to raise capital while providing early stage token sales to their investor group. Having access to early stage sales means that investors can get a good deal before the project launches on the public market. In recent months, the crypto launchpads have been gaining much publicity. Apart from helping you find early stage promising crypto projects and participate in their pre-sale rounds, they are also designed with certain vetting processes to help filter out scams and rug pulls. On the other hand, as the Fantom network keeps recording growth, investors are looking for promising projects on the platform to catch early. Fantom launchpads provide access to some of such promising projects. This video discusses the top launchpads on the Fantom network. First, we have Fantomstarter. Fantomstarter is a multi-chain IDO platform that allows investors to invest in emerging projects before they go public. The platform, built on the Fantom blockchain with a reasonable entry barrier for participation, aims to provide security and confidence to investors by giving them access to vetted, groundbreaking projects. The Fantomstarter team carefully evaluates each project based on a set of criteria before selecting the best ones that can withstand the blockchain world. Investors can use Fantomstarter to learn about new projects and products, see their business strategies, and learn about the companies and teams behind them. They also offer expert guidance to investors to help them navigate the volatile cryptocurrency market. The purpose of Fantomstarter is to alleviate the developing pains of initial DEX offerings and to provide a one-stop shop for crypto investors and companies looking to generate funds in the crypto space. Major current IDO systems only enable single-chain fundraising, requiring users to create numerous chain accounts in order to participate in various chain IDOs. Fantomstarter has created a one-stop shop with a multi-chain launchpad to combat this. You can raise and invest capital on any blockchain using Fantomstarter. This implies that a project launched on Fantomstarter will have a wide range of exposure to multiple chain users and thus will be able to raise a larger range of funds. Furthermore, the Fantomstarter team developed a well-thought-out risk evaluation score to safeguard investors from fraud and vaporware ventures. Their next-generation decentralized investment protocol offers a simple user interface that makes assessing risk and taking action simple. Next, we have Fantom Maker. Fantom Maker is a launchpad designed specifically for use in the Fantom ecosystem. Fantom Maker serves as a launchpad used to democratize access to Fantom ecosystem prospects by using a token-based access method to enable exposure to early-stage Fantom-based token sales. The platform is linked to the enormously popular DAO Maker ecosystem, which has dominated the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain-based decentralized fundraising industry. As a Fantom-centric launchpad, Fantom Maker is designed to provide its users with access to early-stage projects built in the Fantom ecosystem. This might include new decentralized exchanges, play-to-earn games, DeFi protocols, metaverse projects, digital marketplaces, and more. The platform distinguishes itself from many other launchpads by ensuring that all token holders receive guaranteed allocations. It uses a scalability system to distribute each allocation evenly across holders of FAME tokens, which is the native utility token of Fantom Maker, based on their holdings. Fantom Maker uses this approach to allow even small holders to earn allocation in its projects, lowering entry barriers and allowing everyone to participate in early-stage Fantom-based project launches. To optimize project visibility, Fantom Maker divides a portion of each project's fundraising for the broader Fantom community, allowing users who do not own any FAME tokens to participate in these sales via a lottery mechanism. The project will be deployed on the Fantom blockchain, which users can interact with via their favorite Web3 wallet, such as MetaMask. Next, we have Fantom Oasis. Fantom Oasis is a project launchpad that aims to kickstart the Fantom ecosystem by bringing together innovative project developers and investors. Fantom's cutting-edge efficiency and speed will be used to support and incubate new products on the platform. Fantom Oasis will act as a centralized liquidity point for potential Fantom developers and investors to connect, thereby elevating one another. It delivers a win-win situation by accelerating project funding and community awareness while also providing builders with the resources they need to bring their goods to the market. Note that Fantom Oasis is more than just a launchpad for Fantom projects. It is also a launchpad for the entire Fantom ecosystem. The project's objective is to deliver to Fantom the critical mass of users it needs to stand on its own, with a vibrant developer community and a deep well of products and possibilities to draw from for both investors and developers. Fantom Oasis stakers will receive a fraction of the tokens from projects that have undergone a thorough vetting by the Fantom Oasis team and eventually the DAO. In exchange, the project's founders will receive a variety of perks including funding, development advisory, auditing, marketing, and strategic consultation. Next, we have FTM Pad. FTM Pad results from a partnership between Tomb Finance and SpookySwap, two prominent dApps on Fantom. The Launchpad's goal is to help cryptocurrency startups raise liquidity, distribute tokens, and provide support along the road. One of its main advantages is the fair distribution of project tokens. Projects launched on FTM Pad are equally distributed. Allocation is determined by the particular X amount of Tomb that was staked and burned prior to the project's launch. The X number of tokens staked per tier will be decided by governance. Again, FTM Pad will have a fixed tier system with allocations determined purely by the number of staked tokens. Allocation is based on a first come, first served basis, combined with the max cap per wallet. Applicants for the FTM Pad incubator must go through a screening process. The project that best matches them will then be chosen as determined by their governance system. Their development team will aid the selected project in a variety of ways. Chosen team projects will benefit from general technical guidance as well as smart contract assessments. Additionally, before the project's launch, FTM Pad will aid with fine-tuning the project to ensure that it is market ready from the start. They will also aid with tokenomics design to ensure that everything is balanced in terms of utility and value. Of course, they will guide such projects throughout the seed sale, private sale, and public sale, and offer instant exposure to a large user base of Tomb Finance. There's also the benefit of pre- and post-launch project consultancy. Next, we have Fantomx Pad. The Fantomx Pad is the first decentralized launchpad built on the Fantom blockchain. While its full features are still under development, the platform will connect investors with fresh and innovative enterprises who want to use their own token on the Fantom blockchain. Developers can submit any promising projects in the field of DeFi, NFT, crypto, or blockchain infrastructure. They can solicit funds in a decentralized environment utilizing Fantomx Pad, which is built on Fantom Opera. Also, the project's selection of investments will help increase investors' gains. They intend to combine staking, yield farming, and growth performances from various projects and tokens. It also has an FMTX token, which will serve as a governance token, allowing holders to propose and vote on existing proposals. Investors and projects will also need to hold FTMX to access the platform. Next, we have TOSDIS. TOSDIS is a decentralized savings protocol that provides various white label DeFi products. It recently expanded its network by adding an IDO launchpad. TOS Labs serves as an incubator for new and upcoming innovative projects. The project promises the smoothest experience for sale participants as well as project owners. Projects will be able to raise capital through token sales, whitelist participants, and set raise amounts on the platform. Additionally, TOS Labs IDO Launchpad will support multiple chains, enabling projects to raise capital in a decentralized and secure manner. In order to create a one-stop DeFi solution, the team is still working on other components that will provide value to platform users. The network also has been examined by a third-party, Hacken, which is one of the major blockchain auditing firms to assure the safety for its users. The Fantom blockchain is obviously growing at an impressive rate. This is why many investors and developers have been on the lookout for Fantom launchpads. However, now that the launchpads are available, investors and developers will have a highly transparent and strong platform to work on. This will encourage faster development on the network and enable the usability of the network. Well, thank you so much for watching. Now, if there are any launchpads that I did leave out that are currently being built on the Fantom network, please drop a comment below and share your thoughts on what those are. Or if you have any questions at all on this video itself, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now remember, this video really does take a lot of time and research to put together. So if you did find it resourceful, I encourage you to hit that like button, as it really does help support this channel. Well, thank you again for watching. I'll see you all on the next video.